Begin by firmly plugging the left and right feet into their respective leg tubes. Listen for a reassuring click to ensure they're securely in place. Next, connect the left and right tubes into the top tube until you hear a click, indicating they're properly joined. Now insert the horizontal crossbar with its buttons facing downward into each leg, ensuring a snug fit with each click. Slide the back support frame into the leg tube receptacles until you hear a click. Repeat the process with the front support frame, ensuring it clicks into the leg tube receptacles securely. Insert the bed rail tube into the front support frame until it clicks into place, completing the framework assembly. Place the bassinet frame against the adult bed, aligning the top edge of the bed rail tube with the top of the adult mattress. Ensure both legs are adjusted to the same height, secure with 4 screws. Carefully place the fabric cover over the assembled frame, ensuring it covers the top securely. Insert the top tube through the opening on the front of the fabric cover on both the left and right sides. Tuck the bed rail tube through the opening in the front of the fabric cover, aligning it properly. Lock the bed rail tube into the grooves on the top bar, listening for the click as it securely locks into place. Secure the fabric cover to the front support tube using the provided hook and loop fasteners, ensuring a snug fit. Carefully place the mattress inside the frame, ensuring the curved edge of the mattress aligns with the curved edge of the frame. Finally, slide the anchors between the top mattress and the base across the opposite side of the bed. Then tighten the loop by pulling the anchor straps firmly. Adjust the anchor straps separately until the bedside sleeper is comfortably accommodated.